Hello my beautiful and resourceful teachers. I'm back with a quick tutorial on how you can share this student data form with your colleagues without them having to edit your document. So let's jump right into that video. Here you've already created your data form or your questions using Googleforms. You're going to go up to the upper right column and you're going to click on the 3 dot ellipses, which is the more ellipses, and you're going to select it. You're going to move to add collaborators, select it, and this is going to show up. You're going to move down to get link and select change. Once you've selected change, you're going to remove the restricted by hitting down the drop down button, and anyone with the link is able to edit this document. But this isn't where you're going to stop. You want to copy the link. Once you're done with copying the link, you can open up any Word document blank page or notes, right click, paste the link. Anywhere from edit, you want to delete it and type in copy. Once you've typed in copy, you're going to highlight this link, copy it again, and you can go ahead and share this link wherever you want to share it to allow teachers to make a copy. So I'm going to take my link and I'm going to open up a tab and I'm going to paste the link that has copy on it now, and voila, it automatically asks you to make a copy. So whomever you share this link with in this form or fashion has to make a copy, and they won't be able to edit your original document. So once they've made a copy of this particular document, it's going to automatically save to their Google Drive. Well folks, that's all I have for you today. If you enjoyed this tutorial, you found it super helpful, be sure to share it with all of your teacher friends or anyone you know that needs this. If you liked this video, hit that thumbs up button and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already.